Dreamers, this is Jade and I'm back for another episode of Journal with Me. I think we are up to number 83 now, and I just pulled out my Prima watercolors to put down a wash of blue and yellow, and these are the pastel collection from Prima. And yeah, I kind of wanted it to be a bit more pigmented than you see on the page now. So I'll go ahead and put down one layer of watercolors, and then I will dry it with my heat gun and add another wash of the watercolors to make it to make the colors deeper on the page. So now that I'm all done using my watercolors, and as you can see, I only use the blue and yellow for this. I just really love the way the Tomoe River paper takes color, especially watercolors. It is so pretty to me, so that's why I kind of pull them out often, because it just looks so nice as a background. But anyway, I made myself a lemonade carton sticker, and I pulled some ephemera out from the Sunny Days collection by Maggie Holmes to kind of accent it. And basically most of the rest of this is just me kind of getting my pages decorated the way I want. That yellow flower is also from the Sunny Days collection, the ephemera collection, but I decided against using that and I go with something else. Right now I am adding a bit of washi tape, and this one I actually remember the collection that I got it from. I don't know if you all remember, who are craft store fans whatever, when Michaels years ago came out with I want to call it the Enchanted collection or whatever, but they had two sets of washi tape, and one was kind of like mermaid themed and one was unicorn themed. Well, that came from one of those, and if I can find it, since I remember exactly the collection it came from, if I can find it on Amazon, I will have it linked below in the description. As always, you guys know I try to link whatever products I can find in case anyone is looking for it. That Prima collection I actually picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I used a coupon, so you may want to look there first. And so, yeah, here I am just trying out different flowers. I decided I really like the way that dark pink looked, especially against that washi tape. And so I went with the bigger dark pink flower, and I am just using some of the gold leaf accents from that ephemera collection. And if I'm not mistaken, it is the Maggie Holmes Bloom ephemera. And so I am just piecing that together. Yeah, that glue didn't work so well. Those pieces, I think I end up having to tape them together with my ATG gun. And so basically I end up placing the flower, and yeah, see, there's the gun coming out because that glue was like, nope, not gonna work. So yeah. And so yeah, I placed all of that down with my ATG gun, excuse me. Continuing on, I really like the way that flower looks there sitting in the middle of the page, but of course with a little bit of the humpback, it's not just going to adhere nice and smooth. So I cut it in half, and that's how I will tape it down, so it can be right there where I want it to be without it looking all weird and wonky in the page. So I'm adding some more washi to the top of the page to kind of even it out. And as you can see at the top and the bottom, I left some space there because I'm going to do a little bit of a border later in the video. And I'm still trying out some ephemera to see, to try to balance out the spread here. And I just decided on this Think Happy sticker, excuse me, and that came from a Maggie Holmes sticker book that I've had in my collection for a while now. I've picked them up from, I have like 3 of them. I've picked them up from Tuesday Morning for like $7.99. I'm actually waiting to get the newer one that it's been out for a little while. A lot of people have picked it up. I've still yet to see it in my store, and I'm like, come on, let's go, let's do this. But anyway, so, and I decided to just do a little bit of a title there with these alpha stickers. And this little book I picked up from Target, and the bullseye or dollar spot, whatever you call it now. And they've been there for a while. I don't go to Target very often anymore. I know they were $3 when I picked them up, and I'm not sure if they're still there. But over the months that I have been to Target, they've been there at mine when I've seen it. So if you're looking for it, check there. And so yeah, I just put a little title here, and then I will add a couple of little butterflies also from that Maggie Holmes sticker book in the corner. And then I'll get my text done. And to finish off the layout, I just do a kind of wonky border around the whole thing, including the washi tape. And that pretty much wraps up this episode. So if you guys have any comments or questions about anything, you can definitely leave those below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I appreciate all the love and support for my channel. You guys have been showing up and showing out, so I appreciate you guys. I hope everyone is safe and healthy and happy. Excuse me. If you're new to my channel and you like my content, then consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. And I will catch you all in the next episode. Talk to you later. Bye.